Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. Class 7, English, chapter 16. Topic is Raja Ravi Verma. This is the lesson of art. Lesson of an art. Let's see. So, what is art? How does it impact your life? There's two questions. Yes, I can say art is the life, gives life to the human being, and without art our life is meaningless. It influences our life, so this is the gift of God, and with given a gift of God we should proper use of this art. So in this chapter we shall discuss about Raja Ravi Verma, who was an artist, and here about him we shall discuss about his life story and about his gift to the Indian culture or Indian art. Let's discuss. Raja Ravi Verma is widely regarded as one of the greatest painters in the history of Indian art. One of the greatest painters. Yes, Vajik, one of the greatest painters. Raja Ravi Verma was one of the greatest painters in the history of Indian arts. Famous for painting scenes from epics. Epics means long poems or religious poems like the Mahabharata and Ramayana. The scene and scenery of the Puranic scenery. So he liked to paint this type of paintings. He took Indian paintings to the global arena. Arena means area. Yeah, he took Indian painting to the global area by combining traditional Indian art with contemporary European style. Contemporary means occurring at the same time. Indian style and foreign styles together, he spread through the entire world. Yes, European and Indian way of art. Verma was born on 29th April 1848. Yes, around 150 years ago. Yeah, very past. Yeah, बहुत पुराना है, more than that, 50, 70 maybe. In Kalimanu, the place name is Kilimanu. In this place, he was born. Okay. The village near Thiruvananthapuram, Trivandrum nowadays. In Kerala का एक छोटा सा गांव में पैदा हुए थे. His village name was Kilimanu. It's okay. His parents were Umamba Thampurati. Mummy का नाम Umamba Thampurati and Neelakandan father name. Neelakandan. Yes. Bhatta Tiripal. He had three siblings, three brothers and sisters. Goda Verma, Raja Verma, and Mangalabai. Okay. So Ravi Verma's family was full of scholars. Scholars means gifted with art and culture and etc. Poets and artists. His family was closely related to the royal family of Travancore. Royal family of Travancore. उनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ था. It's okay. Now, while his mother was a poet and writer, Ravi Verma's mother was a poet and writer, means कवि भी है लिखक भी है, gifted one. उसके फैमिली के बैकग्राउंड के सब आर्टिस्ट थे. His father was a learned scholar of Sanskrit and Ayurveda. Scholar of Sanskrit and Ayurveda, medicine. He studied medicine and studied Ayurveda and Sanskrit, etc. So we can say all family members were the artistic and the scholars in his family. Okay. Verma started drawing on walls using charcoal at the age of 7. Yeah, at the very beginning of the age of 7, he started painting charcoal painting. Age of 7, started painting charcoal painting. It was his uncle राजा वर्मा, इसका अंकल कौन है, राजा वर्मा, a noted Tanjore artist. Whatever artist of those time, Tanjore artist. Raja Verma was Tanjore artist. Raja Verma was a Tanjore artist. Okay, a noted Tanjore artist of those times who noticed the talent of Ravi Verma. Ravi Verma का जो talent था, skill था, उसको ध्यान दिया. He started giving him preliminary lessons in painting. Preliminary means primary. Way of painting, how to paint, how to start the new type of painting. He gave new type of painting skill. Let's see. At the age of 14, Aiyar Thirunal Maharaja took him to Travancore Palace, and he was taught water painting by the palace painter Ramaswamy Naidu. Okay, at the age of 14 to 1, who Raja Ravi Verma, Tirunal Maharaja took him to Travancore Palace and he was taught water painting. Yes, वहाँ पर क्या सिखाया गया? Water painting. Okay. By the palace painter Ramaswamy Naidu. Was the painter Ramaswamy Naidu. Ramaswamy Naidu. He was a royal painter, palace painter. His uncle took him to that place. Let's see. Burma's talent was personally nurtured by Aiyar. Aiyar means one person helped him. Tirunal, who took special interest in the grooming of the young pedagogy. Pedagogy means a person with quality. Yes, this child's younger age, he knew his quality and he helped him, Aiyar. Okay, Tirunal, who is uncle? Aiyar Tirunal, uncle, yes. Who took special interest in the grooming of the young pedagogy. Tirunal also exposed him to the famous painting of Italian masters. Italian master, exposed means open. Italian master. Okay. It was at the palace of King Tirunal that young Ravi witnessed different forms of Indian and Western styles of art. Yeah, palace of King Tirunal. Yes, Tirunal राजा के राज प्रसाद में उसने सीखा Indian and Western style of art. He was especially mesmerized. Mesmerized means complete attention of by the beauty of Tanjore painting and Italian art. Tanjore and Italian to Western and Indian art. He knew all this. He became master of all these paintings. Okay. The first color used by Ravi Verma were made from leaves, flowers, tree, bark, and soil. It's okay. The beginning color, very simple colors from the plant and leaves and or any plants colors. Okay. His uncle Raja Verma helped him in preparing these paints. उसके uncle भी मदद की Raja Verma. He bought his first set of oil paints from Madras after noticing a new paper advertisement from Madras of now Chennai. He bought what? This oil painting. In those days, not many people knew the technique of oil painting. Only one person in Travancore, Ramaswamy Naikar, knew the style of painting. Oil painting को बहुत लोगों को ज्ञान नहीं था, उसको ही सीख था. However, Naikar refused to teach Verma this style because he saw a potential rival for the future. Potential rival means वो आगे चल के उसका स्टैंडर्ड को गिरा देगा. उसने जेलस होकर नहीं सीखा. One of Naikar's students, Arumugam Pillai, later shared his knowledge. One of Naikar's students, उसका ही friend, उसका एक स्टूडेंट हुज नाइकर जो उसे मना कर दिया, अरुमुगाम पेलाई लेटर शेयर हिज नॉलेज विथ वर्मा अगेंस्ट हिज टीचर्स विशेस। उसके टीचर की बात नहीं सुन गए, वो टीचर नहीं चाहता था कि इसको मैं इतना सिखाऊं, आगे चल के मेरा ही स्टैंडर्ड गिरा देगा, लेकिन उसका स्टूडेंट उसको हेल्प किया। या थियोडोर जैनसन वॉर, लेट्स सी, Burma also learned oil painting by watching Theodor Johnson Wall. He was a Dutch painter, एक डच फॉरेन पेंटर था। Visiting the king's court for work, राजा के दरबार में काम के लिए आता था। From here he learned this type of painting. Burma was the first Indian to use Western techniques and adapt them to Indian subjects and themes. What Western techniques in Indian art? It was a very combination of Western and Eastern, and it was the excellent art. Okay. In 1866, at the age of 18, Burma was married by 12 years old Bhagirthi Bai. Bhagirthi Bai से उनका शादी हुआ। Yes, to whom? Bhagirthi Bai. Married at the age of 12, okay, at the royal house of Maveli Khaga in 1870. Burma made a trip by foot to the Mokambika temple. Which place? Mokambika temple. Mokambika temple in South Kannada district of Karnataka to seek the blessing of the goddesses. On his way back, he received his first paid commission for the family portrait in Calicut. Yes, on his way back, he received his first paid commission for a family portrait in Calicut में family portrait का order हुआ। It was here that he decided to take the painting as a profession to provide for his family. Now, after going to Mokambika temple, and there he met with the order from the one of the family or portrait means family painting, and from there he decided that I will do this profession of painting as my life career. Okay, in 1873, after 3 years, was a pivotal year in Burma's painting career. Pivotal means important year in Burma's painting career. Due to his connections to the royal family, Burma came in contact with the British resident at Trivandrum. Now, Burma came in contact with the British resident at Trivandrum. Trivandrum में आए। In the same year, the painting was sent to an international exhibition at Vienna. Now international exhibition Vienna. Let's see. Where it was awarded a medal and a certificate of merit. Then he got award in this competition. Okay. The Maharaja of Travancore, feted means entertained him on his return to Trivandrum for bringing honor to the state. Now who Maharaja of Travancore का राजा बहुत खुश हो गए क्योंकि उसके राज्य को बहुत सारा सम्मान के साथ राजा रविवर्मा आया। ओके, द महाराजा ऑफ Travancore feted means entertained him on his return to Trivandrum for bringing honor to the state. अपना राज्य के लिए गौरव की बात था। In the same year, the painting was sent to an international exhibition at Vienna. Vienna का exhibition में भेजा गया। Yes, where let's see, and where you have to discuss paragraph. You can see habits. Due to next paragraph, you can see 1873 was a yes. Due to his connections to the royal family, Burma came in contact with the British residents at Trivandrum. Edgar Thurston persuaded him to partition the Madras Fine Art in 1800 exhibition 1873. Yeah, competition at an exhibition. Burma's work title: A Nair Lady at the Toilet. Topic था Nair Lady at the Toilet. Showing a pretty woman adorning her hair with a garland of jasmine, I suggested to be the best. वहाँ पर जो पेंटिंग था, एक महिला लंबा बाल को फैला के वो जस्मिन का गार्लैंड पहनी है और सजाई हुई है, and he won the governor's gold medal at the events. Governor's gold medal in 1873. Then after, the Maharaja of Trivandrum feted him on his return to Trivandrum for bringing honor to the state. In the same year, the painting was sent to International Exhibition of Vienna. Vienna को भेजा गया, and where it was awarded a medal and certificate of merit. वहाँ पर भी Vienna में भी award मिला. Okay, all the major newspapers published from Madras, Bombay and Kolkata carried stories of Burma's laurels. Now, then after he became a famous person, news published from Madras, Bombay, Kolkata carried stories of Burma's laurels. Burma laurels में rewards, thereby spreading Ravi Verma's reputation as an artist. Now, Ravi Verma became an artist. He was famous now, Ravi Verma. Okay. Now see, in 1874, after 1 year, Ravi Verma received the first prize at the Madras exhibition for his painting titled A Tamil Lady Playing the Saravat. This painting was presented to the Prince of Wales. Yeah, Prince of Wales. This painting was presented to the Prince of Wales, who would go on to become King Edward VII. During the Prince's visit to Madras in 1875 by the Maharaja of Travancore. Okay, this painting was presented to Prince of Wales. This painting Prince of Wales को gift किया गया. Who would go on to become the king? Edward VII. वो King Edward VII होने के लिए जा रहे थे. During the Prince visit to Madras, Prince ने Madras जब आए, जब अंग्रेज को शासन था इंडिया में, in 1875, after 1 year, by the Maharaja of Travancore. At an exhibition, Shakuntala's love letter to Dushmanta created a huge stir due to its innovative approach and beautiful re-edition. Now the Indian art. One of the exhibition of the painting, Shakuntala's love letter to Dushmanta created a huge stir. The beautiful picture and a very famous one, and due to its innovative, creative approach and beautiful re-edition, beautiful new type of mansion of the painting was very excellent. In fact, there was so much talk about it that Lord Buckingham, the then governor, said he would buy the painting at the end of the exhibition. It was so excellent that they like to purchase this painting. Yeah, who would like to purchase the painting? Two persons mentioned here. One is the Lord Buckingham, then governor. They like to purchase this painting because of its greatest artistic figure. At an exhibition, yes. After this, he became a popular artist among Indian nobility and the Europeans. After this, he became a popular artist. वो महान कलाकार हो गए among Indian nobility and the Europeans. Yeah, Indian and European people knew he was a great artist. Okay, who commissioned him to paint their portraits. उसके बाद portrait with human face अपना ही तस्वीर बनाने के लिए उनको ऑर्डर दिया गया. These portraits became the bulk of his overall work. Yes, and we established him as the most successful artist of his time. Yes, because of this painting, he became a famous person because of painting these type of paintings. Ravi Verma's paintings of people and gods had a lifelike quality of them. Means Ravi Verma's painting was so excellent that it was looking natural, like lifelike and quality of them. Means पूरा ही जीवंत दिखता था, इतना बेहतर पेंटिंग करते थे. His true genius means reality, lay in the details that he brought to each portrait and each frame. Yes, genius means very clarity that in every painting has its own life and own quality. Let's see. That's why the subjects in this paintings are so full of character and life. Yes. So he paid tremendous attention to his subjects, from the clothes they wore to their jewelry. When he starts painting, वो ध्यान देते थे कि उसका जो कपड़ा कैसे पहना है, कैसा ज्वेलरी है, everything he could listen very finely study and then I'd start painting. Verma didn't miss anything, पूरा बेहतर बनाते थे. That's why the subjects in his paintings are full of character and life. पूरा अच्छे तरीके के साथ जीवंत लगता था, जो लुकिंग लाइक लिविंग पर्सन, अभी लाइफ जीवंत था उनका पेंटिंग में. Let's see. He was invited to different parts of India because he was famous artist. पूरा भारत के पूरा कोने कोने में उसको स्वागत किया गया पेंटिंग के लिए. And everywhere he went, he painted portraits and scenes from Indian mythology. Yes, Indian Puranic, Indian religious paintings he started painting. Yes, some of his famous works include Damayanti, Hansa Sambad, Jatayu Vadham, Basanta Sena, then Rama Panchavatana, Arjuna and Subhadra, among others. This is the Indian Puranic paintings he liked to paint. In 1881, Verma was invited by Baroda by R. Madhavrao, then British regent. Regent means a person appointed to administer the state because the monarch is a minor or is absent or incapabilities. Yes. So here, regent of the state of Baroda to paint the ceremonial portrait of Sayaji Rao III का पेंटिंग करने लगे. Yes, the backward of Baroda. Yes, they want the title here. And special studio was built for Burma. Studio means the place where you can do the work, and was given several commissions from the Gaekwar. All of these accolades means an award granted as a special honor or as an acknowledgement of merit, पूरा सम्मान के साथ. Yes, made Burma famous across the country. Means Raja Ravi Verma in India became a famous artist. In 1894, Ravi Verma set up a printing press in Mumbai. मुंबई में एक पेंटिंग प्रेस भी शुरू कर दिए. Let's see. The press used a painting technique called oleography. Oleography means painting with stone but with more color palettes. Yes. पत्थर से पेंटिंग किया गया, लेकिन बहुत सारा पैलेट्स, मतलब बहुत रखने का जो पैलेट्स रहता है. यस. सो द प्रेस यूज द पेंटिंग टेक्निक्स कॉल्ड oleography and produced thousands of copies of his painting. पेंटिंग का बहुत कॉपी बनाया गया. यस, इन दिस कि उसको सेलिंग किए जाए और लोगों के पास पहुंच पाए. सो पीपुल ऑल ओवर द कंट्री बट देम एंड मेनी even worship the gods and goddesses in the painting, क्योंकि इंडियन आइडल वर्शिप, इमेज वर्शिप. सो आइडल पेंटिंग को लेके हिंदुस्तान में वर्शिप होता है, तो उसकी पेंटिंग का जो गॉड गॉडेस का भी हिंदुस्तान का हर जगह में प्रचलन हुआ. सम आर्टिस्ट डिड नॉट लाइक दिस मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड कॉल्ड रवि वर्मा's पेंटिंग कैलेंडर आर्ट. मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिजनेस को कुछ लोग नहीं चाहे और इसको कुछ दूसरे तरीके से करना चाहे. देखिए, द मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड कॉल्ड रवि वर्मा's पेंटिंग कैलेंडर आर्ट. उसको किस में बदल दिए? कैलेंडर आर्ट में. बट द आर्टिस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर हिज आर्ट. आर्टिस्ट चाहता है कि उसका आर्ट हर जगह में जाए. एंड फेल्ट दैट एवरीवन शुड एप्रिशिएट आर्ट. और हर कोई इसकी कला की तारीफ करे, नॉट जस्ट द रिच. सिर्फ अमीर लोग को नहीं, पूरे भारत के हर कोने में, हर जगह में हर कोई उसकी कला की तर्ज करे. यहाँ पर लेकिन कुछ लोग नहीं चाहते थे कि उसकी पेंटिंग लोग बहुतों के पास जाए. लेट्स सी. द बल्क ऑफ रवि वर्मा's work consisted of portraits. Whatever painting he liked to paint, portraits means human face figure, commissioned by the British and Indian rulers of those times. Indian British rulers means ordered to paint this. And However, his biggest contribution was his Puranic paintings, contribution to Puranic Indian mythology paintings, which dramatized scenes from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. वहाँ ड्रामा करने से उसका जो पोज एक्शंस है, रावण, रामचंद्र, अरबनी, सीता एक्सेट्रा, उनका जो इसको देख के इमेजिनेशन से लेके भी आर्टिस्ट पेंटिंग करते थे. हिज पेंटिंग्स क्रिएटेड एन इमेजरी. इमेजरी मीन्स विजुअल इमेजेस. इमेजिन से देख सकते थे. दैट फॉर्म्स द बैकबोन ऑफ हाउ गॉड्स एंड गॉडेसेस आर डिपिक्टेड इन पॉपुलर कल्चर. कैसे गॉड गॉडेस कैसे उस जमाने में थे और आज तक उस कल्चर को आगे कर ले पाए. राइट फ्रॉम मूवीज टू टेलीविजन टू द कैलेंडर्स दैट एड ऑन आवर वॉल्स एवरी ईयर आफ्टर ईयर. यस, राइट फ्रॉम मूवीज, सिनेमा में भी, टेलीविजन में भी, एंड कैलेंडर पिक्चर में, एंड दैट एड ऑन आवर वॉल्स ईयर आफ्टर ईयर. यस, दीवारों में पेंटिंग आगे को लेते गए. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल दीज इमेजेस आर बेस्ड ऑन how Raja Ravi Verma imagined the gods over 100 years ago. 100 साल पहले गॉड का कैसे होंगे अपने कल्पना में उसको बनाए. लेट्स सी. इवन अमर चित्र कथा which many generations of Indian kids have grown up reading. Yes, Amar Chitra Katha, one of the painting which many generations of Indian kids have grown up reading. उसको बहुत लोग पढ़ते हैं. इंस्पायर्ड बाय बर्माज पेंटिंग, कि बर्मा की पेंटिंग से प्रभावित है. Who Amar Chitra Katha, that is the many generation of people, Indian art, kids, children artists, they like to paint. उसी टॉपिक से बनाते हैं जो कि राजा रवि वर्मा का दान है. In an era means age, when all visual media, visual means what you can see, media were dominated by Victorian imagery. Yes, Victorian imagery means visual images. The presence of Indian images from reverse epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana was a powerful reminder of the glorious Indian heritage. As the finally at India, they get their own their images, but Indian culture, this is the Ramayana and Mahabharata, this is the Puranic and old than India, that type of painting also was full of powerful painting. Okay, his paintings constantly remain the Indian public of the powerful past that India once possessed. By his painting, you know, the Indian past was very strong. And the kings and Raja dresses and their water adorn and decoration etc. It proves that old Indian culture was very excellent. By his painting we can understand. His paintings constantly remind the Indian public of the powerful past that India once possessed. एक समय भारत जो था उसकी पेंटिंग में उसको याद है, वो दोहराती है. His paintings constantly reminded, याद करा देती हैं द इंडियन पब्लिक, भारत के लोगों को, ऑफ द पावरफुल पास्ट दैट इंडिया वाज पोजेस. मींस वंस अपॉन टाइम इंडिया वाज फुल ऑफ वेल्थ एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड सक्सेस. बर्मा प्लेड ए मेजर रोल इन विजुअलाइजिंग द नेशनल पास्ट व्हेन द आइडिया ऑफ इंडिया वाज इन डाउट. Burma played a major role. Played a major role means he had a great role in Indian art. Okay, in visualizing means to showing the national past when the idea of India was in doubt. भारत का जो आइडिया बहुत संदेह था, he gave this type of painting and made India more blessed India. Let's see at the conclusion of this Ravi Verma's lesson we shall discuss, as we have to see that he gave many things to the world and India, but finally we shall see Raja Ravi Verma died of diabetes on 2nd October 1900 6 in Kilimano. This place he passed away. The place Kilimano he was born, and in the same place he passed away. Over a century later, means after 100 years, Verma continues to inspire generations. Continue to inspire means तो अभी भी generation जो आ रहे हैं उसकी पेंटिंग को देखते हैं. They influenced by his painting. This new generation, new type of modern art or anything else, they like his paintings. His great heritage and great blessing for coming new painters. Generation of artists with his intricate paintings. Intricate means very complicated and detailed painting. Very marvelous and excellent painting. Remember him, and the lesson remembers him as Indian art, Indian gifted person. Raja Ravi Verma, remember him, and those who are the art lover, definitely he like to see his painting. Or in the Google search, write Raja Ravi Verma painting, you can find and you can enjoy many things. So hope you I have discussed this chapter and study well, and meet you once again in the next period. So have a good day and goodbye.